Welcome back to Dave's RC Hobby. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace the fuel pump on a Case 224 garden tractor. The fuel pump is located right underneath your carburetor. You can see your hose coming from your fuel line coming from your fuel tank, and goes into the fuel pump. It comes out, goes into your carburetor. So to take this fuel pump off, just take off your two fuel lines, and there's two screws in the bottom over here. Take those off and you just pop your fuel pump off. So all you don't need for this replacement is a big Phillips head screwdriver, a bigger or smaller flat screwdriver, and a pair of needle nose pliers to take off the hose clamp over here. What you'll start by doing is just removing this clamp right over here. So that's if I can. There we go. There's no fuel inside of here. For some random reason. Take off this one over and take off this bottom one. This is one of those different pipe clamps. Just pull it off. Get the fuel inside there. Once the wire's in the way, okay. Oh, I need your Phillips screwdriver. Phillips screwdriver. Well, it's loose. Kind of odd. I think they're pretty long screws. Not too big, not too long. Put it over there on my tire. Take off the other one. Bit of a greasy job, but take this off. And your pump has like a little. There, Bailey. My dog just decided just to sew up some fuel inside of here. I had this little lift thing on here that kind of moves up and down with your. There you are. It's the old pump. Now, put the lid out of this. Put the one foot in one screw. One in here now. Nice and tight. We'll come off again. Put on your hose again. I might have to prime this pump actually. Oh, this one is loose. Put the pliers again and pull down this, it's back on. There you are. Now, I'm going to get a drill and turn this thing over and see if we get some fuel drawing through here. Okay, now I'm going to turn over the tractor and see if fuel's come out of that hose, out of the pump. Close the hood here. See if we can pump in some fuel. Great. There's no fuel. Got some fuel pumping now. Finally. It's on. Taking this up. Should fire right up. Take that up after. Right with them tub. So I hope this video is helpful to some of you guys out there how to replace the fuel pump on a Case 224 Darden tractor. As you can see, I had a bit of trouble there too. Couldn't really figure it out until I put my finger over this one side here. I put my finger over this nozzle over here on the side of the pump and it started pumping fuel. I don't know how, but I guess so that works now. So there you have it. So if you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and please hit that subscribe button. See you guys next time.